So for Sahaba, it was a big sacrifice. The house they had, the animals that they had, everything had to stay behind for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The lives, the families, the comfort of the house, the comfort of your own hometown, everything has to stay back. And for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they have to move into this new environment. Who knows what is this new environment is going to be like. If they had wives, they had spouses, the women had husbands, and the husbands had wives. If they have not accepted Islam, even they have to. So the whole family was disintegrated. Just to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and in search of an environment where they can please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by loving and following the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So, and in today's time and age, what is the real hijrah? This is the bigger hijrah that Sahaba did. And today, the biggest hijrah is leaving the ma'asiyat, leaving the sins of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from our lives, molding our life towards a better towards a better behavior and better akhlaq and better character. This is the hijrat of today's time. Today we don't have this. When this new hijri year comes, it reminds us of hijrah, and the hijrah that is compulsory upon us is the hijrat in terms of our mindset, hijrat of our heart, hijrat of our actions, the way we think. We have to change our thoughts. The way we feel, we have to change our feelings today. The way we perform things, we have to change our actions. What is my action going to be like going forward at my workplace? What is my actions going to be like in my family? How am I going to treat my children? How am I going to take care of my house? How much time I'm going to spend with my kids, educating them, telling them about the deen? Because we should realize that we live in a country where we don't hear about the greatness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We don't hear about the deen. We don't hear about the environment that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam created in Madinatul Munawwara. What is that environment?